Without legal representation, victims may find it challenging to navigate the legal process and protect their interests. Skilled truck crash attorneys bring expertise, experience, and resources to the table, ensuring that victims receive the compensation they deserve for their losses. I'm attorney Tim Semmelroth with RSH Legal. Being involved in a truck crash can be a life-altering experience, leaving victims with physical injuries, emotional trauma, and financial burdens. In the aftermath of such an incident, seeking legal representation is essential to protect your rights and pursue fair compensation. However, concerns about the cost of hiring a truck crash attorney are often a very real concern for Iowa truck accident victims. Truck accident cases can be highly complex, involving multiple parties, obscure regulations, and substantial damages. Without legal representation, victims may find it challenging to navigate the legal process and protect their interests. Skilled truck crash attorneys bring expertise, experience, and resources to the table, ensuring that victims receive the compensation they deserve for their losses. One of the most common fee arrangements for truck crash legal representation is the contingency fee. In this setup, the attorney's payment is contingent upon the successful outcome of the case. If the attorney secures a settlement or verdict in the client's favor, they receive a percentage of the recovered amount as their fee. If the case is not successful, the client does not owe the attorney any payment for their services. Contingency fee percentages can vary amongst attorneys and jurisdictions. Generally, they range from 1/3 to 40% of the total compensation recovered. Factors influencing the percentage include the complexity of the case, the amount of work that will be required, the amount of costs that the attorney will pay for in advance, and the attorney's experience. Contingency fee arrangements offer several advantages to truck crash victims. Number one, access to legal representation. Victims may not have the financial means to pay the traditional legal hourly fees up front. With contingency fees, they can still access legal representation. 2. No out-of-pocket expenses. Clients do not have to worry about paying for legal services during the case, allowing them to focus on recovery and healing. 3. Aligning interests. Contingency fees align the interests of the attorney and the client. The attorney has a vested interest in securing the maximum compensation possible for the client. While contingency fees cover the attorney's fee, there may be other costs associated with a truck crash case. These costs may include things like court filing fees, expert witness fees, medical record retrieval, investigation expenses, and other expenditures related to building a successful case. Before hiring a truck crash attorney, it is essential to have a clear fee agreement in writing. This agreement should outline the contingency fee percentage, any additional costs, and the terms of the payment. Reputable truck accident attorneys will be transparent and upfront about their fees and will be able to answer any questions you may have regarding litigation costs. While concerns about litigation costs are valid, the value of competent legal representation should not be overlooked. Skilled truck accident attorneys bring extensive knowledge of the law, negotiation tactics, and trial experience to the table. Their expertise can significantly impact the outcome of your case, potentially leading to higher compensation and a quicker resolution. RSH Legal offers free, no obligation case evaluation to Iowa truck crash victims. To schedule yours, call 1-800-433-0283 today.